Welcome to Vibe, the channel that illuminates your path to inner peace and success. Today, we embark on a transformative journey to enhance your financial focus through guided meditation. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content, and don't forget to leave a comment saying, "I subscribe for my best." Now, let's begin. Today's meditation draws inspiration from myths and folklore, creating a tapestry of imagination to guide you on your financial journey. Imagine yourself soaring through the sky on the back of Pegasus, embodying creativity and freedom. As you visualize this majestic journey, consider how embracing creativity can lead to innovative financial solutions. Now, let's face the Minotaur within, a symbol of conquering fears. Picture yourself standing strong in the labyrinth of your financial challenges, equipped with the courage to overcome any obstacle. Embrace this mythical strength as you approach financial decisions with confidence. Transitioning into a mindful walking meditation, stand up, and if possible, take a stroll around your office or a nearby park. Feel the earth beneath your feet and let each step guide you to mental clarity. Inhale positivity, exhale stress, and as you walk, envision the path to financial success becoming clearer with every step. Now, let's explore the power of positive mantras for motivation and goal setting. Close your eyes and repeat after me. I am focused, I am capable, I attract abundance. Allow these words to resonate within, empowering your mind for the challenges ahead. Let the mantra be your guide as you navigate the financial landscape with renewed determination. Continuing our journey, we delve into a guided journaling meditation. Grab your journal and pen as we combine the introspection of meditation with the exploration of thoughts and emotions. Reflect on your financial goals, fears, and aspirations. Journal prompts will guide you through a deeper understanding of your relationship with money. As we wind down, let's release the tension accumulated during busy workdays. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and follow along as we practice progressive muscle relaxation. Release tension from each muscle group, allowing your body and mind to unwind, creating space for clarity and focus. Thank you for joining us on this journey to cultivate financial focus through mindfulness. If you found this meditation beneficial, make sure to subscribe for more transformative content. And don't forget to comment, "I subscribe for my best." Until next time, embrace the serenity within, and may your financial decisions be guided by mindfulness. This is Lumina Vibe signing off.